let's talk about extinct sea spiders. This is Palaeoisopus problematicus. It is a species of extinct pycnogonid, also known as sea spiders. Now, we do very much still have sea spiders around today, but this species went extinct around 400 or so million years ago in the late Devonian period. Now, the problematicus part of the name comes from the fact that researchers first studying this had a lot of trouble identifying it. At first, they thought it was some sort of weird isopod, and when they finally identified it correctly as a pycnogonid and not an isopod, they still kept having trouble. They kept identifying the abdomen as the head and vice versa, so I guess it was a very problematic specimen to correctly identify. What's fun about these guys is they lived in the relatively same time period and environment and location as our friend the mimitasser, which I've talked about before. Most fossil specimens of these guys are found in the Hunsrück slate, which is also where most mimitasser specimens are found in Germany, and they are the most common pycnogonid fossils found there as well. Based on fossil evidence, it is likely that these guys were predatory, and while they are not really large, they are larger than many modern pycnogonids. What's also interesting is that the structure of some of the legs suggests that these guys actually swam at least a little bit more than modern sea spiders, who do kind of spend most of their time just scuttling around the seafloor, but these guys might have actually done a lot of swimming instead of scuttling. Modern sea spiders, other types of pycnogonids, did exist in the same time period as this guy, or at least their ancestors did. However, unlike modern sea spiders, these guys did go extinct at the end of the Devonian period, likely due to them being unable to cope with a changing environment as well as other species, which is why we have certain species of sea spiders around today and certain species we do not have around.